In this lesson I will show you how to make a pair of earrings using white clay. I will create first of all a shape like this. From which I will start making the earrings. Let's find the middle of this clay and I'll put one of them aside and I'll start working on this one. So I will take the piece of clay, turn it around this way, and join the two ends like this. I'll connect the two ends and I'll cover the connective area so I'll put this earring here and let's make the second earring. I'll put both ends into the water. I'll twist the both ends of the earring and I'll connect them. And now that I've made the rings for the earrings, I will clean my hands a little bit in order to make the spaces for the jump rings that I will use to hang the earrings. So at this moment I will put them to dry and leave them for 24 hours until they are completely dried, and I will continue by painting, by adding the gloss and by adding the findings in order to make the earrings. Now I will use the sandpaper to remove any rough edges of the jewelry. And now I will apply a base. First I let this side dry and then I will apply the base on the other side as well. Now I let them dry. I apply the base on the other side and then I can apply the paint, the gloss and the findings in order to make the earrings. And now I will add the acrylic paint. To the earrings. I let that side dry and then I will add the paint to the rest of the item. So I let the earrings dry for the moment on this side and then I'll add the paint, the acrylic paint on the other side as well. And then I can apply the gloss. Now that the paint has dried on the earrings, I will cover the earrings with a layer of gloss varnish, and this way the earrings will be protected from moisture, since air dry clay is very sensitive to moisture because it is not baked like the polymer clay. And at the same time it will make the earrings look more shiny. So I first of all cover them on one side, let them dry, and then I'll cover the other side as well. Like this. So I'll let them dry, then I cover the other side with varnish, with gloss varnish as well, and then I can attach the findings to finish the earrings. And now the last step of the process of creating the earrings. I will take one of those jump rings and open it using the jump ring opener like this. I've opened the jump ring. I'll put the jump ring through the earring like this. I'll put the fishhook ear wire and I close the jump ring. This way. And one of the earrings is ready. And let's do the same with the second earring. So with the chain nose pliers and the jump ring opener, I open the jump ring. I'll open it a bit more because the earring is a bit larger. I will put the jump ring through the earring like this. I put the fishhook ear wire, and now I'll grab and now I close the jump ring with the jump ring opener. This way. And now the two earrings are ready.